channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another really exciting video. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a Christmas look. This video is actually in collaboration with a lot of my lovely friends, so I will leave all their videos and their channel links down below for you to check those out right after you watch this video. I absolutely cannot wait to see what everybody else does, and I don't really know what I'm going to do myself. I just have a bunch of things out in front of me. I have loads of eyeliners, bunch more eyeliners there. I grabbed my Sample Beauty Equalizer 1 palette that looks like that, mainly because this red and this green look so festive, so I definitely think I want to do a red and green look, just because I haven't done a red and green look on my channel this year or on my Instagram. I also grabbed my Extravaganza palette from XX Revolution because I thought this would help blend out some of those shades, and plus I really love that silver shade in the middle and the gold shade. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the Pilaries base, and this is in Rumor 1. As you can probably already tell, I have already done my eyebrows off camera because I thought it'd be a little bit boring to do them on camera, if I'm honest. So I'm going to start off with this shade, Queen, that one right there, and I'm just going to put it on my eyes, and I'm going to focus it more towards the inner half of my eye. I'm going to try not take it past the outer half of my eye because I think I'm going to take the green there. So that shade's actually coming out a little bit pinkier than I would have liked, so I'm going to take this shade here instead. I did already do it on this eye, so I'm just going to do it on this eye as well. As you can see, this one's like much more of that kind of Christmas red that I'm after. So I'm going to start to blend that shade out, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I know it looks a little bit harsh for now, but I'm going to build it and blend it in a minute. I'm just going to take this shade right here from the Sample Beauty palette, and this is called Grass. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer half of my eye next to that red, but I don't want to blend it into the red because I don't want it to go brown. So just put some tape on my eyes just to help me with that shape, even though I don't really know what shape I'm kind of going for. But so to blend that green shade out, I'm going to take this shade right here from the Extravaganza palette. Just want to start to blend that shade out just a little bit. I'm going to take this shade up here, this one right here, and I'm going to blend that shade out here even further. And I'm going to take this shade right here to blend out that green shade even further before I go ahead and intensify everything. So I am just going to hop off camera, and I'm going to really try and intensify everything, go back in with all the colours, do what I normally do, and I'm going to cut my crease to a half cut crease, and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to take this shade right here, this silver shade, because I know that this shade is absolutely amazing. So I know it's just going to go on really nice, and it's super festive. So watch it for you actually, because it's just so amazing. I have got some glitter as well, so I might fix up this crease with this glitter. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to go back into this shade Grass just to blend those shades together, kind of fix up that outer edge. So I'm just going to do the exact same to the other eyes. I'm just going to cut my crease, put that silver shade on and blend the green, just catch up with the other side, and then I'll be right back. So I've just taken off my tape and I've caught up with this eye, and this is what we're looking like so far. Kind of messed up this cut crease just a little bit, but I tried to fix it. But we'll just take a photo of this side. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. So I am just gonna hop off camera. I'm gonna do my base and then we can finish up my eyes. And I'm back, and this is what we're looking like so far. If you're wondering exactly what's on my face, I will leave it listed down below so you can check that out if you're curious to know what I've got on my face. My lipstick is by MAC. It's Ruby Woo. Absolutely love Ruby Woo. It was my first MAC lipstick. But I do want to finish off underneath my eyes, then put some eyelashes on and maybe do a Santa hat or something. Let's just go all out. For under my eyes, I think I'm actually going to do the exact same as what I did. So I want a bit of red and a bit of green to like match everything up, and yeah, we'll see what that looks like. So I'm just taking that red and I just want to put it on the inner half of my eye. And then I'm going to take the green and do exactly the same but on the outer half of the eye. I'm just going to blend those shades out just a little bit with a matte white. So I am just going to really quickly hop off camera and apply my eyelashes and mascara and some eyeliner, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and this is what we're looking like, and I've just used some eyeliner. I used the Linda Hallberg Mood crayons, and I used the shades Anger Mood and Calm Mood in my waterline. I used my Collection Lassage mascara, and my eyelashes are the Unicorn Cosmetics eyelashes in the style Cherry. I don't really know what's going on with them because they both came from the same pack, but when I was looking at them, they both look like completely different eyelashes. Very strange. I'm not really sure what's going on there. This one looks like really fluffy and that, and then this one doesn't look as fluffy, and it's like shorter in the middle and goes out towards the end. I much prefer this eyelash, but I'm not really sure what's going on there. So I do really like the way the look is at the minute, but I just want a little Santa hat, I think. Am I going to ruin the look? Possibly. Quite possibly, but I still want to try it. So I think I might just like attempt it. So I've got the eyeliner in the shade Vanilla. This is the Beauty Bay one. And I'm just going to try and map it out. If that doesn't work, then I'm just going to scrap it, and this will be the finished Christmas look to me. Although I don't have any red face paint and don't really know what I'm going to do. But we'll figure something out. so this is my finished look. You'll have to let me know what you think down below. And yeah, this is my finished look. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this video or if you enjoyed my look. And I'd love to know what you think down below in the comment section. Don't forget, this is a collaboration video, so I'll have everybody else's videos linked down below in the description, and I highly recommend you go and check those videos out because they are super talented people. And if you're not already, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!